Discover a science-backed fitness journey that transforms your body and mind. Get tips and find accountability partners who have your back. Most workout plans are confusing, extreme, or ineffective. Across 12 weeks, you'll move through 3 strategic phases. You'll melt fat, build lean muscle, and boost your metabolism. Research shows functional fitness, focused on everyday movements, is overtaking high-intensity fads, delivering better strength and mobility gains. This is more than a workout plan. It's a life-changing opportunity. Across 12 weeks, you'll move through 3 strategic phases. Phase 1 builds fundamentals and proper form. Phase 2 increases intensity and complexity. Phase 3 locks in sustainable habits that keep you progressing for life.
Every workout fits into your busy schedule. 20 to 30 minutes, 3 to 5 times per week. Each move comes with home or gym options, so you can train anywhere, anytime.
Fuel your body with easy, budget-friendly meal plans backed by dietary guidelines.
Clear grocery lists and practical recipes take the guesswork out of eating well.
Track every rep, set, measurement, and milestone with built-in logs and charts. Visualizing your progress keeps you motivated and shows just how far you've come.
Transformation isn't just physical. Evidence-based recovery routines, sleep optimization, and daily mindset tools build resilience and mental well-being.
Every recommendation is linked to peer-reviewed research. The program is designed for adults of all levels.
Looking to kickstart your journey? Try a 1-week mobility and recovery reset for joint strength and flexibility, or grab a free 30-day beginner plan. Stay connected with a supportive community across multiple social platforms. Research shows functional fitness, focused on everyday movements, is overtaking high-intensity fads, delivering better strength and mobility gains. This is more than a workout plan. It's a life-changing opportunity. Click the link in the description to begin your transformation. Your future self is waiting.